Hi guys, welcome to the 7 Money Show with me, your host Sean. Now, we are going to talk about my best dividend and earnings plays, and we're going to also discuss, if we have time, a couple of SPACs. But however, we're going to see how we get on for time. Let's get into it, shall we? My favourite one is, I meant to say, dividends for December. My favourite one is going to be Vodafone Group. I'm not a fan of analysts. I feel they're like monkeys throwing targets out, hoping to get one right. But they claim this to be 68% undervalued. It goes ex-dividend on the 17th of December. It's got a good dividend of 6.32%. Of course, you're not going to get the whole 6% on December. It's split between 4 quarters. I do believe it's undervalued, and I do believe it will do well out of 5G. It's had a few issues recently where they've had to do maintenance on a lot of their masts to upgrade them for 5G, and it's cost them. That's why they haven't had the recovery of some of the others, but I do think it's a good one. A UK one, British American Tobacco. It's another one that is classed by analysts to be 68% undervalued. It is, however, tobacco one, so you can expect the share value to not do so well. 7.86% dividend, again December, ex-dividend. Now, I bought this before the last ex-dividend, and then it went up and I sold it. Why? Because I could see that it was going to start depreciating. I know it's going to be a depreciating stock. It's not one I'm going to hold for long. It's going to be merely a dividend play. It's one that I will hold, get a dividend. I'm not going to sell as soon as it goes ex-dividend. I'm going to wait until I make a bit of profit on the share and then sell. If I don't make a profit, I'll just keep holding for the dividend. Dividend is well covered. So that's why. Another one, Gilead. Now, I said for a while, this is a 14th of December one, and I've said for a while, Gilead is a profitable company. It's at this price, it's about its value, maybe a little undervalued. It's made a lot of money from remdesivir. I do believe that the cruise liners will need to have remdesivir in order to sell, and I do believe it will continue to sell remdesivir, and it has other drugs in it sells as well. Now, we have spoken about Psth before, and it's gone up, and look at it go up. It keeps going up and down. Now, you've got to be careful with this, because it now has, I can see the potential in it, but it now has a higher valuation than sales false. So you have to be careful with this. But then saying that, if it does run and it goes to 25 or even 55, doesn't matter if you get in at the start of the run. I got in earlier, but I'm just saying, be careful, do not go all in. Costco. I said when it was 288, it's one to go in. Why? Because Costco, last time it had made a loss was during the crash of 2008. It is paying a special dividend of $10. So it goes ex-dividend today for the 0.72%, and it will pay a $10 dividend in a few days. So sorry, it doesn't go ex-dividend today, it goes ex-dividend tomorrow, sorry. Now Costco is one of those that you buy, you just leave there, you let it grow in value, because it will grow in value. Now guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. If you want to help support the channel, don't forget to smash that lovely like button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification if you want to be reminded of when a video gets uploaded. And why not smash the sexy subscribe button, a lot sexier than me, just ask the wife. And because I upload multiple times a day. And while you're at it, why not comment in the comment box down below. I'm also putting a load of free links in the description box. Why not check them out? And if you're looking for a free trading platform on which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out Freetrade, trading with 212 and stake. You get a free share worth up to £200 or dollars for signing up and depositing a small amount. So, and Costco was an earnings play and a dividend play. Dollar General is an earnings play, and you can see there it's dipped a bit, and I think between 205 and 215 it's a steal. I think it's a company that pays for itself in 2 years, and then it's a company that you will be able to retire on down the line, as long as you don't end up selling it. I think it's one that you should consider buying, sticking in a cupboard and just leave it, because otherwise you'll be tempted to sell once you make a profit. We saw from what happened with Dollar Tree. I think Dollar General is a better company, and I have to say it's a company that I like. I've spoken about it a few times, and each time I have, it's had a run up. And I can only say I'm kicking myself for not getting in here. I recommended it and I didn't. And then the reason I didn't get in there was because I thought it's had too big a run up too quickly. It's going to come down, and then it started coming down, and then left it, because this is a healthy run up. Long hair. But I think I'll get in it this week. Now, another company that I forgot to say about Psth, the operating margin is over 70%. Now, think about that. Even when you get idiots like me saying, "Oh well, it's valued higher than Salesforce." Now, You remember I spoke about Northern Genesis a while ago, and I spoke about it recently. Well, nah. Why do you think the run-up is? They signed a letter of intent with Lion Electric. Now, if we go to Lion Electric, the truth. Now, Lion Electric have the trucks, they have the buses. We all know about that, and we've all seen the electric dump trucks, but they also have parts and services. They're putting in the charging infrastructure, which is why they're doing their own batteries, which is why they're looking to get rid of Romeo Group. I think the future looks bright for this. I think people should look at this, and I think this is a good one to look at. People have been focusing on Psth, it's a new one, but they haven't been looking at this. And the next one, a quick word for Envision, or VGAC. The people who designed for Envision were originally in Italy, working on Volkswagen, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and then they sold their company to an Italian company, and then were invited to go over to China for Envision to work for them, and they are quite an exciting company, I think, for me. So I think NGA and Envision are going to be a good one for the future. And don't forget to hit the like button and comment in the box below. It really does help with YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, if you're looking to use the free link to sign up, get a free share for Freetrade, today's the last day where you'll get entry into a draw to get a free Amazon share. See you in the next video.